we come across many stories that inspire us, that inspire society, and tells us that still there's a change in society, still there's someone who wants to bring the change in the mindset or in the society, and that change comes within oneself. And we come across story of Inderjeet Singh Sidhu, IGS Sidhu, who's a retired IPS officer of 88 years old. He served as a DIG and got retired in 1996. He served in Amritsar when there was a Operation Blue Star and emergency going. So he has seen that days also. But now all he do is he wake up at 6 in the morning, then he comes out to his Sector 49 society. This is the IAS IPS society. He wears gloves and all he do is he picks up a rickshaw that's parked over there and he clears up the garbage that's there in Sector 49 or surrounding area. So that's the vehicle that he used to take help with to clear up the garbage. And his video, his story came across just because his video went viral, and the video was posted by Gaurav Goyal, who's an advocate in Punjab Haryana High Court. Gaurav, how you come across the story that Inderjeet Sidhu is doing such a work that could inspire people or inspired you in Sector 49?
Sidhu sir lives in this IAS IPS society in Sector 49. I live just across this society, is an advocate society, so I also live there. So for the last 4-5 years, whenever in the morning I used to go for a walking, or in the evening or late nights when after the dinner we used to go for a walk. So I always used to see this old man in a white kurta pajama, in an orange turban, and a white big beard. Probably because of his age, he's more than 85 years. He's 88 years now. And very difficult to walk because he's an aged person. But his determination level is so high that he used to clean the entire sector. It is not about one society. The entire whole sector, by walking, strolling by strolling. So if something is there, the empty cans are there, the polythene is there, anything which he find, he will keep it up and then he will take it to the big dustbin. So now at the same time, earlier he used to use the big carry bags. But recently he has started carrying that rickshaw, a small rickshaw, and full of all garbage. He collects from day and night, fills it up, and then he will take that rickshaw and then he will dispose the waste material. So here the question is that of course we are very inspired that this gentleman is a real warrior of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. And but at the same time it's keep my head on shame also. Chandigarh Municipal Corporation is there. The entire Chandigarh administration is there. We have the senior most municipal corporation, and the Chandigarh administration is led by the senior IAS officers. This gentleman is a retired IPS officer who retired as an Inspector General of Police from the Punjab Police. Despite having such a big system, hierarchy, nobody has watched him ever. My concern is not that he is doing this safai. He is cleaning the things. He is not just cleaning the garbage. He is cleaning the mindsets. My concern is that an aged person of 88 years, why he is doing it. As a society as a whole first, then as an administration, why administration should always help him. It's a safety concern for him. It's a question of life and death for him. A person at 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock at the night is doing the cleanliness, and suppose if one rickshaw comes, a two-wheeler comes and hits him, what is going to happen? He's an old man. 100 times in the day, he is collecting the things from the ground. He is bending his back again and again. I don't know how he is walking.
You made the video on Sunday?
It is, today is Tuesday. Yes, on Sunday at 9:15 p.m. at night. I was coming out of my society. I saw Sidhu sir with a big rickshaw, and I made that video and I posted on my Facebook. And I have just heard that a lot of people have shared it, and Anand Mahindra, who is the owner of Mahindra Group, he has also shared the video. Question is not a video at all.
So when you made the video, you had any conversation with Sidhu?
Yes, I said, uncle, you please don't do it. This is night, your health won't allow it. See, what message he gave to me. He said, जब तक फिट रहूंगा, सफाई करता रहूंगा, मुझे गंदगी नामंजूर है. The way Shahid Captain Vikra gave us the great slogan, "Ye dil mange bol," the very same thing has been done by the retired IPS officer.
What could be the reason to his inspiration? And people even consider him that he's sort of mentally disturbed or what, like he's doing this sort of things.
Yeah,
So sharing this.
Yes, if any good person does something, the society at large always think that why he is doing it. They will create a false perception about him. I have heard that some people say him that he's a madman. Of course, question is not of madness. If at all he is madness, he is mad for his country. He wants to keep his country clean. So I think we should derive the inspiration from him.
He has a son who lives in
Yeah,
US
I've
with
heard
his family.
just-
He has a daughter that lives in Mohali. He's
Yeah.
good with his family.
Yes, absolutely good with the family. And I have heard that son is in Australia, daughter is married nearby Chandigarh only, living all good life. And sir, being an IPS officer, Inspector General of Police, retired in the year 1996, is doing a great service. But I will request through your channel, and even I will request you that you should also circulate, not just on your channel, but among all the channels, that the Prime Minister of India is one of the persons who is looking after. This issue is dear to his heart. And I'm sure by circulating this video is going to reach the Prime Ministers also. And I'm hopeful that this person should always be recognized. He doesn't want any recognition. Now you see, we are standing outside his house, but he's not there. What he said to you on the phone is that I don't want to meet any media people because I'm doing what I'm doing, and I will keep on doing it. He does not want any fame, any media bites, any photo ops. He does not want it. What he wants is that himself, his neighbors, all the society people at large should keep their houses the way we clean our houses, the very same way we should clean our society.
Thank you so much. So he's Gaurav Goyal, and this is a story that he come across, and we heard about Inderjeet Singh Sidhu, who's a retired IPS officer, and today he's out with his daughter just because society and MC, other officials, media persons, journalists were contacting him. Just want to hear the story why he's so inspired. What's the reason behind his inspiration? With video journalist Girish, this is Saman Bhardwaj for India Today, Chandigarh.